George of the jungle strong.
It's Haley's turn.
Hello everybody, welcome back. It's playtime today. As you see, I have a John Deere buggy now. I found these on Amazon, $19.99. They are Shergoo brand. I believe Paul is sponsored by them, actually, affiliates with them. So we got them glued up, and we've got the start of my dirt old track. So we're just gonna tear some shit up, test the durability of these wheels, and hopefully find out where my buggy lands on that jump so I can build the, the landing jump, whatever the technical term for that is. Let's just have some fun. Ooh, okay. Mental note, cut that down further. Okay, so just about where I thought, and I was like barely gassing it, but that was like a perfect landing, so. Okay, another one there, it needs trimmed out. Ooh, okay. Oops. That was a wonderful job, Wayne. Stuck it right in the plywood, didn't I? Nice. Oh, there's another one. Backwards. Off track. Off track. Whoops. I mean, it's the first time I've ever been on it. Okay, I really have a problem with that spot. Maybe I shouldn't try to go backwards. Oh, okay. I need a wider track. Oops. Well, as far as the durability, so far so good. Like, I've been getting it stuck and really revving it up, and they haven't popped off the bead yet, have they? Give them a look around.
No, they look good.
Well, there we go. All right, let's keep pushing. I missed it. That's a tree. Ah, right there. Oh, I just barely missed that stump. That was cool. Whoa. Did I hear one come off? No?
No.
Okay, cool. Oop. Oops. Camera lady is a magnet. It's an RC magnet, that's why we have so many. Yeah, that was awesome. Oh. Okay, something that needs more trimming apparently. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I think, even though it's a bunch of work, I need to add some dirt around the berms to kind of help keep me in the track a little bit.
Like a bank?
Just a little bit, yeah. Yep. Oh, whoa, boogie. I got it. Yeah, okay. It needs more grooming, but I like the track a lot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that was fun. And I'm starting to get the muscle memory for it now. Oh, I said that. That's a tree. Okay, well, I mean, you know, we're not beating on it, everybody, necessarily. You know, this is pretty easy as far as beating on RC cars go. But I'm thoroughly impressed for $19.99 and 2-day shipping. Thoroughly impressed. I could have spent, you know, what, triple that on a Proline set and been just as satisfied. Oh, hell yeah. There's one happy John Deere boogie. Oh, of course.
George of the Jungle.
George of the Jungle. Everybody, let's give the camera lady a round of applause for being a very good picker-upper. She's doing a wonderful job. And I'm just standing here on my pedestal like a fat, lazy loser. Destroying the jump. Oh, come on, get back on track. Oh, okay. We're starting to get low on battery, guys. I just had a 4S in here. I think it's perfect time. Video's kind of getting long. Well, once again, my Hobao did absolutely wonderful. I love this machine. Wonderful choice for a 1/8 buggy. Wonderful choice. Quality. And Chergoo, Amazon, $19.99 wheels. I got nothing bad to say. I love them. They're hooking up. They're doing great. I love the redneck oval track. We're gonna do some more work on this, bed this in some more, and get some more packs through it. Yeah, get another, I think they call it a kicker. Is that what it's called, a kicker? The lander is called the kicker? I don't know. Anyways, we'll get another jump right about where those trees are at. So that way it jumps and then it lands on a jump. That'd be even cooler. All right, well, Mike, they're doing good. Get you a set. I'll send you the link. Maybe I'll throw the link down below in the video. TPU wings holding in there, that's fine. Yep. The original Hobao wing is trashed, so. All right, everybody. I'll see you next time.